Okay, another vintage heavy-duty Kenmore is the Model 65. It is the classic mint green in color. Very, very nice cosmetic condition. Just a few very tiny nicks in the paint. Still holds lots of shine and reflection on the surface there. Uses class 15 bobbins, 15x1 needles. It is a low shank machine. Bobbins and needles can be purchased anywhere as easy as Walmart. It is a basic straight stitch machine until you add the cams. And this one takes the double-sided flat discs. Each disc has 2 patterns. It comes with 7 cams, so you have 14 patterns. There are a few more available. I think there's 12 total. But the basic 7 came with the machine from the factory, and all 7 are included. You also get bobbins, zipper foot, needles including a double, and the special buttonhole foot that goes with the machine, and the buttonholes are explained in the original instruction manual. A 1.2 amp motor, all metal, super heavy machine, tabletop ready, or it can be put in a Kenmore cabinet or a carrying case. This one does have a larger square deck, so it will need to be put in a Kenmore case or cabinet because it will not fit in a Singer case or cabinet. I'll show you a little bit of what it can do. Lots of room under the pressure foot. Cams are very easy to change. Very nice balanced stitch. Change the cam. Takes just a second. And there are some basic designs like blind stitch and multi-point zigzag, and there are some more decorative designs like arrowheads, pyramids. It's like an S-shaped design. It just depends on what you want to create. We have a pyramid in right now, so I'm going to shorten up the stitch. The width of the patterns is adjustable. A lot of times the cam pattern width cannot be adjusted. This one can. There's your pyramid. That was made off the cam. Put the zigzag cam back in. The zigzag cam is necessary to do zigzag pattern, otherwise you're just going to do straight. 6 layers of denim. Real denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. Nice stitch on 6 layers of denim. This is 10 layers of cotton. There we go. And 3 layers of garment leather, and this is a little thicker than what I normally use. It's still going to go right through it very nicely. If you consistently work on vinyl or leather, you might want to invest in an even feed foot. Just ensures nice even stitches on the stickier fabrics like vinyl or leather. That is the Kenmore Model 65.